Welcome back to AFAX #1 Stop to Entertainment and Trending News. Esther Arunga's husband, controversial Kenyan preacher and former presidential candidate Quincy Timberlake, was handed an 11-year prison sentence in Australia after pleading guilty to charges of manslaughter in the tragic loss of his son Sinclair. Justice Paul Freeman, in his ruling, termed the death of the 3-year-old as brutal and incomprehensible. Timberlake also owned up to the crime 2 weeks ago on September 13th and shared with you guys that update. The court heard that the accused struck the young boy forcefully on the stomach, causing him to stumble, allegedly because the minor was possessed by a devil that resided within his abdomen, thereby justifying his actions as an attempt to cast out the demons. Despite the valiant efforts of paramedics, Sinclair lost his life. The confession came in August when Timberlake, aiming for a lighter sentence, struck a plea deal with the prosecution. The legal proceedings took a turn when Timberlake's guilty plea for manslaughter was accepted by the prosecution, leading to the withdrawal of the murder charge and prompting the cancellation of the scheduled judge-only trial. Esther Timberlake was previously convicted of being an accessory to her son's manslaughter after she attempted to mislead the authorities about what had transpired by failing to state that Timberlake punched the boy. The court said the couple omitted crucial details of the incident from the initial account to the police, where the accused said his son had fallen on the stairs. The judge sentenced Timberlake on the basis that he punched his son intending to cause grievous bodily harm, but that at the time he was of diminished responsibility. His pretrial records show that he had been diagnosed with schizophrenia and psychosis, and that he forcefully struck their son, leading to his untimely demise. Judge Freeman cleared him eligible for parole upon serving 9 years, however, stating that matter is left entirely to the parole board. Timberlake became popular in Kenya after marrying former TV queen Esther Arunga in 2010. They are now separated. I have a very detailed video on that. I'll link it up so that you can check it out. In 2012, he announced he will run for president through his newly formed Placenta Party. He did not make it to the ballot. On the said day that led to the son's passing, Esther Arunga assumed her husband was going downstairs, but heard her son yelling and thuds from behind the bathroom door when she got out of the shower. When the door opened, the boy seemed to be in pain and doubled over. The court heard Timberlake struck him forcefully in the stomach, causing him to stumble. He said, "There's a devil in his stomach. I'm hitting the demon out of his stomach." When Sinclair started to go towards his mother, Timberlake, in a rage, threw the child against the wall. After the boy fell to the ground, Timberlake told his wife, "The devil has gone now," before rambling about beating the demon and removing it from Sinclair's stomach. Emergency services found Sinclair's body on the bedroom floor. Timberlake's immigration status means he will be immediately liable for either deportation or detention for an indefinite period. You're up to date. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified once you have any new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.